time for another episode of Cooking with the Community. I'm your host, Danielle Hagler, Nelson County Cooperative Extension Agent for 4-H Youth Development. Today, the Mayor of New Haven, Tessie Cecil, will be teaching us how to make tailgater caviar. We'll also learn some neat agricultural facts about our community, get your fun health tips from Terry, and learn about community agencies that help our families in need.
Hey everyone, I'm Terry Spriggs from the Nelson County Extension Office, and I am here to talk to you for a second about washing your hands. So we really need to wash our hands all day, every day, before we eat, after we use the bathroom, and anytime our hands are just dirty. So make sure you wash those hands to get those germs off, because you can't always see the germs that are on your hands. So wash those hands, scrub a dub with some soap and water, and keep your hands safe and healthy.
Hello, this is Mayor Tessie Cecil from the City of New Haven. Today, we're doing the community cooking of Nelson County, and I'm glad that Daniel invited me to be participant of this. With me today is Nevaeh Hutchins, which is a graduate of Youth Leadership Council of New Haven. She's a
sophomore at Thomas Nelson High School.
And Nevaeh, what are we going to cook today?
So we're going to be cooking tailgater caviar, and we already, for time's sake, mixed all the ingredients together and washed our hands and everything that needed to be done, so we can have time's sake, like I said before. And the ingredients we used were black-eyed peas, white corn, black beans, yellow corn, and then 2 cans of diced tomatoes and green chilies. And then we have our garnishments, which were jalapenos, green peppers, and then parsley and cilantro. And then we have nacho chips we can use with the caviar. And then we also have garlic powder and black pepper and salt. And we already mixed it all up together.
Okay. This really looks good, Nevaeh. Actually, I don't know if we could wait another 12 or 24 hours to put it overnight, so we could party with this. So anyway, you think we can do that? I would like to thank the City of New Haven for letting us do this. And this is really a nice place to do. We use this place for meeting room. And if y'all wanted to use the same place in the future, call 502-549-3177. And I would like to thank our videoer, Angela Mattingly, for helping us today. Thank you so much, and you all be safe, be careful, and have a healthy life.
Now, Tessie, if someone would like to get this recipe, where could they go to maybe get that so they can do one for themselves?
They can call the Nelson County Cooperative Extension, Nelson County.
Okay, sounds great.
Hi there, my name is Nicole Howard, and I'm one of the 4-H agents here in Nelson County. And today I wanted to share an ag fact with you, and today that's going to be pig terms. So the first term is a piglet, and that is a baby pig. The next term I want to share with you is a gilt, and that is a girl pig, and she hasn't had babies yet. And then a sow is a mama pig, so that's a girl that has had babies. And then the 2 other terms are boar, and a boar is a daddy pig, so a pig that can or has had piglets or offspring. He's been the dad to those. And then the last one is a barrow. So a barrow is a boy that will not have piglets, and typically they're used for their meat.
1 in 7 adults don't know where their next meal will come from. 1 in 5 children struggle with hunger. It affects us all. It could be a neighbor, a family member, a dear friend. It may even be you. That's why Feeding America, Kentucky's Heartland, works every day to ensure those who are struggling with food insecurity can find assistance. For more than 35 years, Feeding America, Kentucky's Heartland, has been committed to providing one of the most basic needs to our community members. Each year, our partner agencies and supporters give thousands of individuals and families access to the food they so desperately need. And you can help too. Whether you give your time at our volunteer center host a food drive, or make a monetary donation. Every form of support can help. Choose to make a difference in the fight against hunger today.